Hi guys, my name is Dolores. I'm a food educator at the Free Library of Philadelphia's Culinary Literacy Center, and today we're going to learn how to dice a tomato. So a dice is a type of cut that turns your produce into cubes of whatever size you'd like. When it comes to dicing a tomato, most of you would probably just reach for your standard chef knife, but if your knife isn't super sharp, you could end up just kind of squashing the whole thing. Sometimes a tomato can have a little bit of a rubbery skin, and so I actually prefer to use a knife with a serrated blade. So the first thing I'm going to do is cut off the top of my tomato. This is where the stem attaches. I'm going to put my tomato down on that cut side to keep it from rolling around. And I'm using my serrated knife to cut nice thick slices of my tomato. Then I'm going to take about half of those, holding on to the tomato with my left hand, making planks. And then I'm going to spin those planks and then cut those into little squares. I'm going to shift that over, move on to our second portion here. So again, first thing you want to do is cut planks, spin everything together, keeping it all stacked up still, and then cutting little cubes. And there you go. Nice little cubes of diced tomato.